Hi Gators, welcome to another episode of the Gator Garage. In this episode, we're going to talk to you about what to do if your Gators are walking. And what we mean by that is the Gators are coming away from the rim. There's two reasons why they're going to walk. One, you've had an impact, i.e. you've actually rubbed the Gators against a curb and it's pulled them away from the rim slightly. Two, it's an installation error, which either means it was actually installed incorrectly or it was installed on a wheel and tire it shouldn't go on, i.e. is a bad fitment. So what we're going to do is take this wheel and tire over to the tire machine and have a look and see what's going on. So the number one reason why you're going to have a Gator walking because of install is because of the gap here at the joint. You want to have a space about 2 to 5 millimeters to allow for the product to stretch. If you don't have that gap, the two ends are going to push against one another and then the Gator is going to come away from that rim and tire somewhere along the rim, which is right here. So that's the number one reason as to why you're going to have an installation error in walking, and that's going to be that gap. You want to make sure that it is 2 to 5 millimeters to allow for that product to stretch, or else it is going to come away from the rim. Now you could have other reasons. The two ends could be perfectly fine and have a big enough gap, but the teeth are not lined up and they're sticking up, which prevents it from getting in between the wheel and the tire. And then over time, as you're driving, it pushes more pressure on it and pushes the Gator away because those teeth are not lined up, which doesn't get it in far enough. Other reasons could be there might be too much tire shine on your tires, and that's getting in between. Tire shine is typically a silicone based, doesn't wash away, and it's incredibly slippery, that tire shine. So if you are going to use it, make sure you just wipe it on rather than spray it on. That's something we recommend, and we'll go over that on our aftercare video. Also, you want to check your tire pressure. A little bit of a drop on there could push the Gator out because again, you don't have that pressure holding it in place. So if you do have questions about it, you notice that your Gators are walking, please go back to your installer to have them take a look at it and even reach out to us as well. You can comment below. See us on our website at AlloyGator.com. Reach out to us there. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Later, Gators.